Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and serene rivers, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was known for her vibrant spirit and radiant smile, which seemed to brighten the lives of everyone around her. She worked as a librarian in the village's small library, where she would lose herself in the stories of others, dreaming of a love as profound and enchanting as those in her beloved books. One day, while Lily was arranging books on the library shelves, a young man named Ethan walked in. Ethan was a traveler, with a rugged appearance and eyes that spoke of countless adventures. He was immediately drawn to Lily, not just for her beauty but for the warmth and kindness that emanated from her. Ethan started visiting the library regularly, and he and Lily soon became friends. They would spend hours talking about books, sharing stories of their lives, and laughing at each other's jokes. As time passed, their friendship blossomed into a deep and passionate love. They were inseparable, finding joy in each other's presence and comfort in their shared dreams, but fate can be a cruel master. Ethan had come to the village to escape a painful past, one marked by the death of his parents and the burden of responsibilities he had shouldered from a young age. Despite his love for Lily, he felt an unyielding pull to return to his old life and resolve the issues he had left behind. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Ethan took Lily to their favorite spot by the river. With tears in his eyes, he explained that he had to leave, that he needed to confront his past to have any hope of a future with her. Lily's heart shattered at his words, but she understood. She knew he had to go, and though it pained her deeply, she supported his decision. They spent that night under the stars, holding each other close, whispering promises of eternal love. Ethan swore he would return as soon as he could, and Lily vowed to wait for him, no matter how long it took. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Lily waited faithfully, her heart aching with each passing day. She would often sit by the river, reminiscing about their time together, her eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of Ethan. But the years stretched on with no word from him, and her hope began to wane. One cold winter evening, a letter arrived for Lily. Her hands trembled as she opened it, recognizing Ethan's handwriting. The letter was brief, filled with words of love and regret. Ethan explained that he had been gravely injured during his journey and, despite his best efforts, he would not make it back to her. He apologized for breaking his promise and asked her to remember their love, to hold on to the memories they had shared. Lily's heart broke anew as she read his words. The pain of his loss was overwhelming, and she felt as though a part of her soul had been torn away. For days, she couldn't bring herself to leave her home, consumed by grief and sorrow. Yet, life has a way of moving forward, even when we feel anchored to our past. Slowly, Lily began to heal. She found solace in the library, in the stories that had once brought her so much joy. She continued to visit their spot by the river, now a place of quiet reflection and bittersweet memories. Lily never stopped loving Ethan. She carried his memory with her, finding strength in the love they had shared. And though she never found another love like theirs, she lived her life with grace and resilience, honoring the promise she had made to him so long ago. Years later, as an old woman, Lily sat by the river, her mind drifting back to the days of her youth. She closed her eyes and felt a gentle breeze caress her face, almost as if Ethan was there with her, his presence comforting and warm. With a soft smile, she whispered, "I love you forever," and felt a sense of peace wash over her. And so, Lily's story became one of enduring love and unyielding hope, a testament to the power of the human heart and the timeless beauty of a love that transcends even the harshest of fates.